Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 error entry point not found using simple and reliable steps. This error usually happens when system DLL files are missing or corrupted, especially Visual C++ components. First, restart your PC to clear temporary system issues. Next, go to the official Microsoft website and install the latest Visual C++ redistributables, both x86 and x64 versions. Then restart your system. After that, install or repair DirectX runtime, because missing DirectX files can also trigger this error. Now open your GTA 5 launcher like Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Games and verify game files to restore any missing or damaged data. Also check your antivirus because it may block important DLL files, so add your GTA 5 folder to exclusions. If the error still appears, reinstall the game launcher. Finally, restart your PC and launch GTA 5 again, and the entry point not found error should be completely fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.